Hi friends, good morning and welcome to Ethan's How to Draw. Today we are drawing a house. Normally what I am thinking about this particular drawing is when you're making a scenery drawings or stuff like that, normally you will have a house for inside the scenery. So normally you could use this in terms of that, or for kids of the age around uh, 5, 8 to 10, when they are in drawing competitions, etc. They could use this as a reference for their scenery drawings or stuff like that. So I believe this is useful. So this is a time lapse video what I'm doing here, and what I'm using is I'm using an iPad where the Apple Pencil is being used here to make this drawing. So this is actually my second drawing on the iPad, so I'm not very good in using the iPad and the Apple Pencil, so there might be some flaws here and there. Just trying to learn through the process of doing this. So the center of attraction is just the house, and we'll have a tree on the left side of the house. So putting some brown shades on the roof, so it indicates it's been a normal house where it have like leaves or anything like that been used to make the roof. So you could use different shades around, a lighter, darker shade, or even small black color as well to do this. So it's depending upon you on what shade you need to actually um, give to the roof. I'm also giving a lighter shade of a lighter brown color for the walls, and some shades here and there. So this is not a good example of how shading has to be done, but what I'm intending to do here is to give some darker and lighter colors here and there, so it looks more attractive for attracting for kids, school students, and they could use this as a tool to learn drawing, or also to use in some of their drawing competitions, etc. So let's have a look here. Just going forward with the drawing, you can see I'm putting some shades here and there. So currently on the roof I'm adding some black lines as well to give some depth to the roof. So almost the house drawing is finished, so you can choose different colors or shades and improvise it. So just to give more look to the painting, I'm just adding a tree towards the side, and you can see the branches or the leaves are overlapping the house there. So that's the drawing is almost getting finished there. I'm putting some normal shades to the trunk of the the tree, and yep, it's almost finished. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. See you later.